Welcome, I'm Alexander Sakratidis, Sales and Marketing Manager at Digital Metal. I will be your host today and walk you through the Digital Metal system to explain how it works and what you can expect of having a system of your own. Here you can see the heart of our system, the DMP 2500 high-precision metal binder jetting printer, built for industrial use. When we started the development of the printer, we had to choose which path to pursue, build it as cheap as possible or as good as possible. We chose the latter and sourced the best possible components to ensure reliability and repeatability. To bring stability and minimize vibrations in the printer, we use a 160 mm thick diabase, normally found in high-end measuring equipment. All moving parts in the printer have an accuracy down to single microns, which enables us to achieve consistent result of printed components in the whole print box and not only in certain areas. This is very important when going into serial production. In addition to selling metal printing systems, we have provided printing services since 2013 with more than 30 different geometries in serial production, of which some geometries exceed 40,000 pieces on a yearly basis. So I would say it's a well-proven system. We start with evaluating the file. If everything looks fine, the next step is to place the component in the print box. We need less than 0.5 mm between the components so we can pack it really dense. Since there's no need for supports or connection to the base plate, components can be nested freely and printed on top of each other to fill the whole print box, not only one layer. As soon as the layout of the print box is uploaded, printing can start. Printing takes place at room temperature without the need of modified atmosphere. All moving parts in the printer have an accuracy down to single microns. As you can see, the movements are really smooth. The accuracy, reliability and repeatability makes the Digital Metal system ideal for serial manufacturing. Component details can be printed with a resolution of 35 microns. Walls as thin as 0.2 mm and holes down to 0.2 mm are no problem. When the print job is completed, the print box is removed from the printer and replaced with a new one for the next job. The change of print boxes only takes 15 minutes. After printing, the print box is cured in a low temperature furnace and then placed in a depowdering station. Here you can see the components being depowdered. In this case, it's a whistle. For larger serial production, the automated depowdering station will come handy. Large quantities can with ease be depowdered at the same time. Since all powder is reused and no support is used, there is no scrap, making the Digital Metal system very resource efficient. After depowdering, the components are placed on ceramic plates and placed in a low temperature furnace for debinding. In this step, most of the binder is removed from the components and makes them ready for sintering. The debinded components are sintered either in batch furnace or in a continuous furnace. During sintering, the components are heated up to just below melting temperature and densifies by atom rearrangement. When the sintering process is completed and the components have cooled down, they have the same properties as metal injection molded parts. The two stainless steel alloys, 316L and 17.4pH, together with TI64, follow the MIM standard ISO 22068. After sintering, any secondary operation of your choice can be applied. The components have a very fine surface with an average of RA6 microns without any post-processing, which is a good start for further operations. If we look into the future, we are constantly developing the Digital Metal system, increasing the print capacity, certifying more materials and so forth. In doing so, we make sure the majority of the printers can be retrofitted with those upgrades. As an example, we have printers from 2012 that we have upgraded to perform at the same level as the ones we build today. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and please contact us to learn more about how your business can benefit from using our Digital Metal system. Click on the link and schedule a meeting or book your own person-to-person online web tour with me.